ALLEX the humanoid robot with human-like responsiveness. WIRobotics unreveals the future. Meet ALLEX, short for all experience. WIRobotics' new humanoid robot that doesn't just move, it responds with remarkable realism to the world around it. Unrevealed in South Korea at the Robot Innovation Hub, ALLEX upper body comes equipped with highly dexterous hands and can sense tiny forces, as light as a strawberry resting on your palm, while still being strong enough to lift heavy loads. This means it can delicately handle tasks like threading a needle, yet confidently grip bulkier items without breaking a sweat. Its advanced actuators offer 10 times lower friction than conventional robotic arms, giving it smoother, natural and compliant motion. In simple terms, it's a robot that can shake your hand without accidentally crushing it, a reassuring step forward. ALLEX also features a gravity-compensated torso, allowing fluid and precise movements, almost like a mechanical ballet dancer designed for real-world tasks. WIRobotics plans to expand this into a modular platform, meaning arms, hands and control systems could be swapped or combined, much like building blocks for future robotics. To accelerate its progress, the company has partnered with RLWRLD and top research institutes including MIT, UIUC, UMass, KIST and Maxon. With backing from ex-Samsung robotic engineers, their ambition is bold. By 2030, humanoid robots could safely work and live alongside humans, maybe as common as home appliances. That's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.